In today's video, we're gonna check out the coolest fidget spinner in 2018 and the most unusual one made out of 100% titanium. So let's get it started. Hey guys, this is Hassan and welcome back to yet another video where my goal is to show you guys the best technology, the best equipment that can make your life just a little bit easier. So recently I have been a fan of Urban EDC. That's a website that they sell the coolest toys and the coolest everyday carry-on item that you can find out. And one of the things that they had that it really caught my eyes was their fidget spinner. And after looking at them up and down, I found out the best fidget spinner possibly that I have ever used that they had. This fidget spinner is made by a company named Mechforce, something like this. I can't pronounce it, and sorry if I misspelled it or if I said it wrong, but the point is that this fidget spinner is made out of 100% titanium, and the system that they use in here, this thing can spin for a long time. I'm really excited to open it, and it says Deltacore Long Spinner, patent pending. I don't know why they would need a patent on this type of fidget spinner, but probably it's something really good. One thing that I like about this is that it's made in USA, and it's not an off-brand, and they made sure that it's made in USA. On the side it says full ceramic ball bearing, a precision CNC machined, designed by Mechforce USA, made in USA, and bearing imported. So basically the ball bearing right here is imported, but everything else I don't know. Still, it says made in USA. I don't know. But on the back of it, it says choking hazard to children under 3 years old. So if you're under 3, stay away from this. Mechforce Deltacore hand spinner titanium, and it is stonewashed. This is cool. So without further ado, let's stop my nonsense and let's go to the actual fidget spinner, the fastest fidget spinner in 2018, and also the most expensive fidget spinner that I have ever seen. So I'm gonna get my trusty knife. My hand is recovering. If you haven't seen my other video, I cut my hand using this knife. It was horrible, but I'm recovering. So right now I'm using this little bad boy. And by the way, this is another item that I got from that website. This is the coolest knife that I have ever seen, and it's very sharp, right? If you haven't seen my other video, basically I was looking at the camera, I had this open, and instead of pushing here to close it, I pushed here. So it was horrible. Anyway, let's open this up. I'm gonna go bam, bam, right there. And then I'm gonna look which way I'm closing this. Oh my god, this thing is the coolest. Anyway, we put that aside, and we are ready to unveil this bad boy. Wow. Okay, something fell down. First thing first, let's put the top aside. We have a user manual, probably. Basically important information. If you want to take a look at it, maybe pause the video. If you think this is important, then this is for you. But for me, yeah, just another user manual. And then we have a sticker, innovation, craftsmanship, quality. This is what I like to see in a product. This is awesome. Not the fact that they included a sticker, which I probably never use, but is it a sticker or is it just a card? Oh no, it is a sticker. Cool. Alright, we're gonna put it right here for the rest of the video. I don't know. Anyway, so we have the fidget spinner right here. This is exciting. Oh my god, this is heavy. wow, put that aside. We have an extra ball bearing in case this one went bad, so you have an extra one, which is awesome. I don't think I've seen any company include an extra one, but I mean, you're paying almost $180 for this, so yeah, this is cool. Put that aside, and this is the fidget spinner. Oh, this thing is bad. This thing is really bad. I am in love. I have not seen that well-made fidget spinner. This thing looks really good. Okay, I need to take this off. This thing looks like something out of a movie, like the Transformers movie. I love their logo. Am I focused? There you go. I love their logo in the middle. It makes the item so much more uniquer and so much more cooler. And let's try spin it like this. Oh, okay. First of all, a complaint. This thing is beautifully well made and is made out of titanium, and it is so cool. But when I spin it, because it's so heavy, it kind of hurts my finger. But okay. But if you go like this thing should run for a long time. So let's do a test. Let's see how long this thing can spin. Ready? I'm gonna fast forward it for you guys, but this thing is so smooth, like you can't even believe how smoothly this thing spins. This is my favorite fidget spinner. It might be a little hefty on the price and a little hefty on the weight, but be sure that what you're getting is something out of this world. This thing is awesome. Highly recommend it. Check them out. Urban EDC, they have a really cool selection of awesome gadgets and toys that you can check out. And I'm buying like assortment of stuff from them. Coming soon. This is the first thing that I bought from them, and I fell in love with it. And this is the second thing I bought from them, and I'm gonna buy from them as much as I can. I hope you guys liked it. The fastest, coolest looking fidget spinner in 2018. And that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Until next one, stay classy.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.